Hello, welcome back to the Boyfriends Club, or welcome, whatever. You're welcome. I'm Godfissa. That's a name. Okay, so today we're doing our first Hinge swipe because I forgot that this is the one where you're only allowed to like 5 people a day unless you pay for it. Um, and that is limiting. I don't know. But this is like a better um, app. Yeah, speak English more. Good. Really interesting sentence. Anyway, okay, let's clear out the likes first. Let's dredge there's only two. Okay, we've got M49. Went to school in Texas. Okay. Got a man bun. You don't look rich enough for me to go completely gray, so I've gotten way too comfortable. These are my inside brain thoughts. If you have nothing nice to say, don't say anything at all. But that's not the point, I don't think. The point is that it's anonymous, so I'm just going to be honest. This is honesty. This is not being mean. If anything, that says more about my character. Just a money hungry skank. D65. Awesome. 65. The first picture is of James Dean, which is like, is that the same age? Is this how old James Dean would be if he were alive? I think he'd be older. Um, Oh, I see why I saved this. I really wanted to talk about. There's this photo of him in a button up shirt that would be like a normal photo, but what he's done is taken a like cutout of himself and made it smaller on top of the other picture. So it's like a picture in picture of the same picture for no reason. And I bet he was like really stoked that he used electronics like this. At 65. I bet he feels like a Photoshop pro. Like, my greatest strength listening to you. With or without hearing aids. Isn't there like a Twilight of My Life app or something for you to go to? There's pictures of him in the gym as well. It's like, doing what? Trying to sit on a chair? Like, I. Sorry. I've had a couple sips of cider. Yeah, okay, well, that took a long time. Okay, so now we're in the thick of it. We've got A25. Um, 25 is on the younger. Yeah, he looks too young. That's my cutoff for like frontal lobe development. They need one of those. Must possess frontal lobe. Um, E49 real estate development evil. Oh, he's got nice hair in some of the pictures. Isn't that sad? That's what I'm looking at. That's so sad. But also, like, what else are you supposed to cotton from a dating profile? Like, it's just pictures and some words. The biggest risk I've taken, Movember. Like, if I just read these answers, I wouldn't even want to talk to him. So maybe hair is indicative of whether or not I think you're a viable partner. M27. Christian, English, French, and Japanese. Dafa. Interesting. Oh, he's very handsome. we'll get along if you're a certified yapper. Oh, that feels good. Um, you know what? Let's give one of the hearts. Let's give him our heart. Send like. Oh, and you can send roses as well. Interesting. L33. L33. He's from New York. That was a bad accent. He's from New York. Traveling, fine dining. A woman who's comfortable in her flesh. Ooh, I am. I just, he seems very nice, but I can't tell. 33. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna give him a like. When you only have 5, you're like, but you just leave the queue there, I guess, and you'll get to them anyway. Okay, N48. Spiritual. I get stressed out when I see too much outdoor activity on someone's profile. Ooh, who matched with me? Mac M 27 matched with me. That's nice. Okay. A shower thought I recently had. My tongue has a complicated and dangerous job to do while I eat, all without any supervision from me. That's a pretty good point, actually. But again, just too many outdoor activities. Like I am a house dweller. Straight or curly hair? What's your favorite hairdo? Oh, this dude is black and I am black, and that's a really nice thing to say, actually. As I do like my curly hair. Is it? Let me check my. Yeah, my profile has my curly hair in it on this one because people are classier and less racist. Yay. This is why I'm driven to drink. No, I don't really drink. I just am right now. Okay. K21. My thing is not set down to 21. I don't look at these. But they keep on sending me like 19s and 20s. J47. Looking for a life partner. Hey, he's kind of cute. It's a picture of him with Will Armisen. I think that's who that is. Not that great. So he's, whoa, okay. 6'2", wants a life partner, Buddhist. This year I really want to find a date to my family reunion in Prince Edward Island. Dating me is like dating an orangutan, as I will point to your purse until a worthy snack is brought to share. I won't waste your time because this is a... And then there's a picture of a dog with a crock on its head. I was sold. I was sold already. Send this like, please. Thank you. I guess I could let's send a message back to the other to what's his name? What is my favorite hairdo? No, it takes too long for me to type. That's not a fun. Um, that's not a fun video for anyone. I'll read it to you afterwards if it's worthy. Okay, V37. Ooh, that's a good age. Short term. Oh, he's from LA. Works for Apple though. Oh, I wish I could actually do that. Oh, his pictures aren't that clear, but he seems like a nice guy. And honestly, I'm trying very hard for a black boyfriend because these white men are stressing me out. I'm wondering if that's what I'm doing wrong. I need some of my own culture so I don't have to explain everything that I do. How many likes is that so far? 3? Okay. Let's just get through some of these that I don't want. No. R22. Oh, that's not working. But his first like prompt or whatever is I go crazy for a bad bitch, literally in parentheses. That's awesome. I respect that, but 22 is too young. Did the app like hear me about black people? Because they're giving me a bunch of black people. Oh, I think this one you can search ethnicity as well, but that creeps me out. And then I wouldn't get any boys that aren't white from other cultures, which is, I think like I just need to have a goal of like not so many white guys because they've been pressing my nerve. Low key flex is a okay. Skip. Okay, T41. Manager at low and zero carbon fuel infrastructure. That's pretty cool. Ooh, he's got a little pocket square going on. That's cool. He's got this spiky hair that's not necessary, but I can change that. I will send this guy a like because he seems smart. I also would like to talk to smart people. That would be preferable. Okay, they gave me another 21. This dude's 27, but he just looks kind of young. He looks like a K-pop star though. He's beautiful. But he just looks too young. Maybe he's lying about his age. Okay. Young dudes be doing that to get us cougars. And then they'll be like 19, not 27. You're like, okay, well, that's nice. I want some. Okay, this guy seems funny, so let's give him a second. B24. Okay, 24 is like no frontal lobe yet, but where was this prompt? He wrote, I want someone who emotionally abuses chat GPT. That's so funny to me. I really respect that. You should leave a comment if you can tattoo me for money or love. I can actually tattoo. All my tattoos on my legs I've done. But I haven't, it's different tattooing on yourself than it is on other people. I've only given one tattoo to someone else, and it was my sister, because she, like, stupidly trusted me to do it. I'm sure she's covered it up by now, because it was my first tattoo on someone else, and it sucked. Emotionally abuses chat GPT. According to all known law of aviation, there is no way a bee should also be able to fly. Its wings are too small to get its little fat body off the ground. The bee, of course, flies anyway because bees don't care what humans think is impossible. Yellow, black, yellow, black, yellow, black. Bro, you're funny as fuck, but um, other than that, I can't really see you, and you're a little young. Um, Damn, like why couldn't you be 30 something? Um, T19. See, Jesus, what are you trying to do to me on this app? T21. Still no. He looked like a footballer from another country, though. That would have been cool. J46. Then it jumps up. That's crazy. That's crazy. Nope. Nope. Outdoorsiness, pointy hair. Like, why? Dudes that are age appropriate is just like, it doesn't have to be this bad. And it just so often is. You need I don't know, maybe it's my responsibility to tell you. Maybe I need to make a guide to like your 30s and 40s and how to present yourself, because maybe I could do like what's that guy called? Tony Robbins? Tony Robbins? But like about hair gel, Like throw out the hair gel. I don't know what product boys should be using. Just nothing. Just grow your hair a little bit. Stop spiking it up. Look, I put down my phone because I'm so furious. If I see one more spiky silver fox, I'm going to scream. Oh my God, this is what it is, isn't it? Okay, J44. Is this hair spiky or are my eyes bad? The hair is fucking spiky. I don't get it. Like, I have to deal with like homophobia probably and spiked hair. Like, this is why Gen Z, like, I don't want to be a cougar, but Gen Z is more evolved than you guys are. Like, I'm so bloody tired of age-appropriate dudes. Because, like, you might as well be boomers. I mean, I'm mostly angry about the hair, but no. No, like, catch any of these dudes at Pride this year. Like, fuck you. Z24, no, 25 has to be, like, I don't even look. V42, real estate. Oh, he looks nice. Thinks communication is important. Chillaxin'. You're just not my type, but I appreciate you. Well, I don't got no type. Bad bitches is the only thing that I like. Are you a bad bitch? R24? I don't want to have to make it a deal breaker at the age. Okay, well, this profile is in French. So I'm not dealing with that. I can speak some French, but not enough to like speak to a Frenchman. Hinge has just made me a little angry, I think, because there are people that are like older on here, but with that comes certain sacrifices that I'm not willing to take. I will go back on there, and I can't rush to find my 5 in like a reasonable amount of time. So, and I kind of just want to lay down again and have another cider. Mm-mm-mm. All right, well, you know what it is. Fuck out of here.